Hello guys, and welcome to the Bliss for Education. In this tutorial about creating your first React project. First of all, you need to visit node.js.org to download our Node.js dependencies, and then you can see the Node.js latest version here. Node.js is technology which is not directly related to React. It is not the end runtime for JavaScript, which would allows to run JavaScript code outside your browser, and therefore of course is not something we need for React, because React code is JavaScript code that is run in your browser. However, we will need to Node.js for creating our app tool. Okay, then in my case I have already installed this LTS version, so if you don't have, you can download this latest version, or you can see the currently available versions on the right hand side. Right. Okay, so I'm come to my, let's run cmd to take command code space dot to open our code editor. Right, now we need to run a few command lines inside our browser. Our terminal actually, and let's visit React and click on the get this started. Let's find the terminal code commands. Right, then I navigate to the create new React app. Okay, I will explain this. What is the npx command? Npx, which are working with our Node.js dependencies. Then case we need to install the Node.js inside our Windows. Right, here is the first command we have to run to our terminal, and let's copy this command. I will explain this command what it is mean. Right, come to your terminal, come to your code editor and take a new terminal. Right, here is the directory of which we are creating our React project, first React project. Right, I am paste this command. Right, npx mean is the default we are calling to our terminal, and here is we need to say this command line we are saying to create a new React app, and we can change this for our app name. We can give it rename our project, and I will say Bliss4. Keep reminding you can't enter the capital letters here. Okay, and let's run this command. It will take a few moments. You can see our dependencies installed into this folder. We need to wait. and then we need to navigate into this folder and cd, and here's the folder name. You can see here this command line. You will need to have Node.js on your machine. Okay, now we can see the happy hacking. Right. Okay, now I'm going to use the cd command to navigate into this folder. Copy and paste it into here. Our name would be Blissful. Right, now we are in the Blissful folder. Now we need to run our last command, npm start. Right, now you can see our React project was run to our browser. Okay guys, and here is the today tutorial. This is the simple setup for React, and you can edit these command lines inside using these directories, and I will explain it in the future in upcoming tutorial too. And okay, we will see you in the new tutorial. Okay guys, and thank you for watching this tutorial.